What is going on, guys? We are back at it with some LS Volvo things. What I originally wanted to do today was really just clean up some wiring. I was looking into the vehicle speed sensor, the two codes it's throwing, so that just causes a little bit of drivability issues, but not really a big deal. But I started peeking around, and what I saw was that, crap, I'm trying to get you in there, but let's focus on that. Is that right there on my steering shaft it looks like it's been rubbing on my exhaust. Well, it has been rubbing on my exhaust. Right on there, Rod. You can see it. Now, I've been keeping an eye on that because with it being so close, I expected it to maybe touch it, and I wanted to make sure it didn't. And prior to this, it hasn't. So I was like, why is it doing it now? And I checked the motor mount bolt right there. I stick my hand out, and the thing is literally, oh, where'd it go? It's not on camera. It's right there. Thing's literally finger tight. So that's not good. So what I ended up doing was I loosened both motor mounts and I literally pushed the entire motor over this way a little bit. So now the gap over there is much closer and the gap over here is bigger, and I don't think it's gonna rub anymore. And I was hearing some weird noises, so maybe this is the whole problem, because a loose bolt holding your motor in is never good. So I'm gonna do that first, put some Loctite on it, and we'll hopefully not have a problem with that ever again. I just fired it up now. I'm gonna see if this gap maybe moves at all if I rub it. So it seems like as much as that's gonna really flex, it's not gonna touch. So I think that's good. I'm happy with that. I put a bunch of red Loctite on there, so hopefully that never happens again. Cool. Now that is all squared away, I'm gonna try to clean up some of this wiring. Last time I ran out of electrical tape and never even taped this up nice, so I'm gonna do that first. I taped this all up nice and tucked it down. I still have my little connection so I can shut the fuel pump off if I want to. Put some zip ties on those wires, make them look nice. Now I think I'm gonna take the intake off and see what I can do about this whole cluster right here, because it's kind of annoying and gross looking. Get some progress done, but Justin, oh geez, what happened? Justin's rolling up.
The brake is so touchy on this thing. It's good though. It's good? It's a fucking machine.
Well, we tied up some wiring. I tucked a lot down there. It looks a lot better. But what I'm gonna try to do right now is make a shield, use some cardboard to mock up a shield, and then cut it out of this sheet metal. It's a little bit thick, but it's fine. I have a whiz wheel. We're gonna try to cut that and make a little heat shield here to put over the PCM, but have the fuse box sit above it, and then that'll be better for heat wise and for the intake. It'll look nice, I think. So that's what we're trying to do now.
We got our cardboard cut out, so now we're just gonna trace it, and it should fit, but we'll cut if we need to. Sick. Race car.
Justin just left, but I'm gonna take a little bit off here, try to make it fit better. Obviously, I'm gonna clean all this up with the cookie grinder after the fact, but just to see how it fits, I'm gonna cut some off right there for now. I had changed the disc on the cutoff wheel. That's what it's supposed to look like, and that's what I ran it to. It's all trimmed up and in the car, and that is what it's gonna look like. I have to still get the cookie grinder and clean up all the rough edges, but that looks pretty good. Way better than the whole rat's nest I used to have here. I'm really happy with that. So let me take it out and make it look nice. I just got finished cookie grinding it, making all the edges look good. Very smooth now. And I went back and put it in the car and marked some locations to drill holes so I can zip tie this and secure this in there. So I'm gonna drill these out real fast. Cherry. I have my piece all done and ready to go into the car, and honestly, I'm really happy with how it looks. It's so clean. I originally, this whole time, was gonna paint it black, but after looking at it in the car and the silver with the silver, it looks so good, I have to leave it the way it is. So I'm gonna run, I almost just died. So I'm gonna run to the power store real quick and grab some clear coat and spray it and toss it in. Let's do it. I just briefly picked up so I didn't leave everything laying everywhere. We'll take to Vic to get some clear coat. The old Vic, always doing daily things. AutoZone had this Rust-Oleum paint plus primer for like $8, so not too bad. About to get painting. I just got done freaking shaking this thing, and I'm gonna spray the back first. It's dark out now. I'm now with Billy.
He's gone.
We're swapping people out. And this looks pretty good. I've put 2 coats on it, front and back, and we're ready to toss it in the car. So shiny.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah.
Yeesh. So I come over to John's house. It's nighttime, obviously.
It's nighttime.
He's working on his rig, and this is his setup. Got a hockey stick holding up the hood, and a light bar.
So you tell me not. This looks sick.
That's cherry right there, huh? That is cherry.
Okay, heads up. We gotta be. Okay.
Talk about fitment.
Talk about fitment.
So, we've decided to put the fuse box sideways.
Make it look pretty.
Well, vertical, I guess. And John is currently zip tying it.
The fuse box into position.
1, 2, on either end to this anchor point down there. John's in the way.
John's in the way. Want me to move? Yay!
Yeah,
No, I dropped it. Wait. This could be way more custom. Yo! Yeah. Now it looks like it's factory. So now I have
We got the sweater under it so we don't scratch it.
because I was scratching my clear coat and it made me pretty upset.
Oh yeah. It's looking pretty cherry though, honestly.
It really is. Yeah. It really is.
Besides that sweatshirt in the way.
Don't want to cut it. Oh god.
America.
You have everything pretty much at its finalized resting spot. This is in there pretty good. Everything looks nice. But the one thing I didn't realize was that now I'm gonna have to extend this wire. So I'm gonna call it for tonight. Gotta put this wire on too, so do a couple little things I gotta finish up. I don't wanna be rushing it at night, so I don't know if you guys can see me, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.